Hey, it's Becca with Rebecca Reed Creative, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly switch templates on Squarespace and what to do if you're getting an error message on your new homepage that you've switched to. The first thing I would do before I make any changes to my website is I would go into the site styles and write down the styles that you want to keep. So whether it's the fonts, remember you can just click on it and it'll bring you to, like this is the page title so you can see what font you use. Or just anything, I definitely would go into the site styles and write it down because those will all change when you upload a new template. All right, so first things first, how do you change your site template? You go to the design panel and then template, and then you can install a new template, or you can see I've already installed some, and you click preview and it will pull everything in and change that template. Sometimes it'll work really well, like this one has transitioned really well, as you can see, but sometimes it will not. For example, when I click preview for this one, I get an error message. So I'm going to show you how to fix that if that occurs with your template. If you're getting the error message, the first thing to check is to make sure that you have a home page set. So you go back to pages and then scroll down and make sure that you have a little house next to your homepage. If you don't, you can just go to settings and you can set it as your homepage. All right, so what has happened is when I changed templates, it didn't convert correctly. And so if you look at what a Mercer template looks like, this is the homepage and this is what I wanted. And as you can see over on the left-hand side, it has an index like this and then the pages under it. And so that just wasn't able to convert correctly. So what you would have to do is then go into your own website, and if you look on your left-hand side under not linked, you'll see that those pages were created. They all have demo. And you will need to then create it to look like this. So how you do that is you create an index, which you can do by just going to this, and then if you can't find anything, you can always type in, there it is, index, and then you will just be dragging things in. So I would just look at this one. It has the introduction first, and then the philosophy, and then a large image. So you just find it down here, introduction, philosophy, large image, and just continue to drag those to create that page to look like this one, and then you can put in your content. I hope that video was helpful. I come out with new videos every Wednesday, and if it was, please give it the thumbs up below, and let me know where you are at in the website design process. I would love to help you.